Hi, I'm Matt Watson, a mechanical designer here at RBR, and I'd like to introduce you to the RBRfermata underwater battery canister. The battery canister is used for extending deployment lives of our RBR instrumentation. It adds 48 D cells, and depending on the chemistry, up to 3 kilowatt hours. For those of you that are familiar with the Fermata, the redesign still has all 3 MCBHs and the pressure release valve on the bottom. Inside, it has a soft resettable fuse for each of the MCBHs. Each MCBH has a 5 amp fuse, so combined there's 15 amps available. The cool feature about these handles is it's a double latch lock. So to release it, you've got to push down with your thumbs and then release it, pull it up and out. In the spine, there's a couple of magnets buried right behind the extrusion, and they allow us to put those batteries on, and the batteries are then kind of held in place, so they're not going to fall out as you load. And then dropping it back into the housing, you slide it right over so the handles catch, and pushing down on the handles seats that O-ring in, and the click tells you that it's locked. So one of the neat features about this new Fermata is its ability to handle multiple chemistries. There's some intelligence built into the circuitry that changes how the battery columns are wired together depending on the circuitry. It does this automatically. So for lithium thionyl chloride, it's going to use 4 in series. For the alkalines and the nickel metal hydride, we're going to use 8 in series. For integrated applications where the quick release handles may be a little bit too big, we still do offer our low profile handles that were available on the previous generation of RBRfermata. So for our existing RBRfermata customers who might want to take advantage of some of the new features offered by this new generation of RBRfermata, we do offer a retrofit kit. For more information about the Fermata or any of our instruments, please visit rbr-global.com.